It begins with the Earth's raw elements, silica sand, limestone, and soda ash, carefully selected for purity.
Every grain is scrutinized. Quality control begins at the very source, ensuring the purest foundation for glass.
Precision weighing and efficient transport deliver these vital ingredients, ready for their fiery transformation ahead.
In the batch house, raw materials are meticulously blended, a precise recipe critical for the glass's ultimate clarity and strength.
A final assurance. The blended batch undergoes rigorous testing, ensuring its readiness for the intense heat of the furnace. Now, the true alchemy begins. The meticulously blended batch enters the furnace, where fire...
From the furnace's heart, molten glass, a river of fire, flows forth, now ready for its meticulous shaping. Behind the inferno, skilled operators meticulously monitor every parameter, ensuring flawless and consistent molten glass flow. Automated feeders precisely distribute molten glass, a critical step, ensuring each product receives its perfect, measured amount. Beneath, a symphony of engineering fuels the furnace, where temperatures soar, melting the batch into molten glass.
Even in liquid form, the glass undergoes constant visual inspection, ensuring its flawless quality before the next crucial stage.
With breathtaking speed, molten glass drops into precision molds, instantly taking its initial, defined product shape.
Under immense, controlled pressure, the molten glass is flawlessly pressed, precisely taking its intricate and final form.
From the mold, the newly formed glass emerges, still glowing, ready to embark on its journey down the cooling line. Within the layer's fiery embrace, the glass gradually cools, a precise thermal journey essential for its structural integrity.
Engineers meticulously monitor the annealing, ensuring precise temperature gradients, vital for defect-free, durable glass.
Powerful air jets provide the final, rapid cooling, preparing the glass for handling and its next stage of precise refinement. Emerging from the layer, each piece undergoes immediate scrutiny, detecting even the slightest imperfections, ensuring flawless quality.
Robotic precision now takes over, carefully handling each cooled glass product, ensuring its flawless transfer for further processing.
With the glass now cool, it enters conditioning, meticulously prepared for specialized treatments and its final, refined purpose. Each glass piece is carefully selected, destined for specific designs, transforming raw material into bespoke creations.
With diamond precision, cutting tools score the glass, preparing it for a clean, exact break, shaping its ultimate form. Precisely cut glass components are meticulously organized, flowing seamlessly towards their designated assembly stations.
Skilled hands meticulously refine each glass edge, smoothing imperfections, ensuring safety and a perfect, polished finish.
Guided by expert hands, scored glass cleanly breaks, revealing perfectly formed components, ready for their next transformation. In the assembly hall, skilled teams meticulously bring together glass components, transforming individual pieces into unified products.
Specialized adhesives are meticulously applied, creating invisible, powerful bonds that unite the glass components with enduring strength. Into the UV chamber, the adhesive rapidly cures under intense light, solidifying the bonds and completing the assembly.
With meticulous care, precision hardware is flawlessly attached, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetic of the glass product.
For larger structures, teams meticulously assemble glass panels, ensuring perfect alignment and every millimeter matters. Final alignment ensures flawless structural integrity, a testament to meticulous engineering and skilled hands.
The glass undergoes meticulous surface finishing, achieving a brilliant, streak-free sheen, ready for rigorous quality inspections.
Automated optical systems scan every millimeter, detecting even microscopic flaws, ensuring unparalleled glass perfection. Under polarized light, hidden internal stresses are revealed, ensuring each glass product possesses perfect structural integrity. Every edge is meticulously examined, both visually and tactilely, guaranteeing a flawless finish and uncompromising safety. Automated systems perform final dimension verification, ensuring every glass product adheres to precise, exacting specifications.
Even the smallest imperfections are meticulously refined, ensuring every premium glass product achieves absolute, unblemished perfection. In final assembly, diverse components converge, skillfully integrated to create complex glass products, each a masterpiece of engineering. Even the slightest imperfection is meticulously identified and marked, ensuring every product meets our uncompromising standards. Minor defects are meticulously corrected with micro-abrasive tools, restoring each glass product to absolute, unblemished perfection.
After rigorous inspection and meticulous refinement, the final, decisive approval is granted, signifying absolute perfection.
From every angle, the glass reveals its flawless form, a testament to design and the unparalleled skill of its creators.
Witness the culmination. Each glass product, a masterpiece of form and function. Now,
Finally, in elegant retail spaces, our glass creations captivate, transforming environments and inspiring awe. Bathed in light, each glass creation truly shines, captivating hearts with its inherent beauty and refined elegance.
Witness the culmination. Each glass product, a masterpiece of form and function.
Every intricate detail, every curve speaks volumes of the mastery invested in creating these extraordinary glassworks. Each exquisite glass creation is nestled within luxurious, custom-fitted packaging, a prelude to its ultimate unveiling. In the studio, every angle of the packaged product is meticulously captured, ready to tell its story globally.
From ancient sands to modern marvels, the creation of glass is a journey of transformation and fiery artistry.